What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. I just uploaded my video today, and I think I'm gonna honestly upload this video again right after because I didn't really get everything out that I really wanted to say in that video. So we're back at it. So let me explain to y'all. I know this giveaway is taking a lot much longer than it should have been, and I know, believe me, I wanted to have this thing over with a long time ago. But some things y'all gotta understand. We are giving away the truck and the bike. That's the first time we're giving away a truck and a bike combo together. Usually all the bikes we gave away was just bikes, and that's cool. But the thing is, we're growing and elevating, so we're trying to give away more and do more for the community, for the people that supported me, y'all watching. So with that being said, we had so many curveballs along the way. We had the frame come super damaged. For one, the bike came way more damaged than I thought in person when Tiffany brought me the bike to my shop before I moved. That was a process. Then once we finally got it, we had the frame damaged. We got hit with a hole in the motor and all this other crazy stuff. So it's like, I thought I was gonna get a bike completely running, ready to go. Not perfectly, but a little bit of nothing. But things happen, that's how business is. You gotta keep it going and rolling. That's what it's about at the end of the day, keeping the show going on the road. So instead of crying and complaining, we're gonna keep going, stay motivated, get the bike done. We already got the motor back there on the floor. We got a fresh new motor. I'm waiting to get shipped any day now. It's taking so much longer than I thought. That's why I said, instead of you guys sitting around just hoping and waiting for hopeness, we are going to give away this for second place. I got a few comments, I didn't get too many responses, but I think we're going to move forward with that. So we're going to give this away for second place in the Silver Bullet giveaway. We have this right here, our 2015 ROADGLIDE. We're going to go ahead and put a fresh paint from Antonio. We're going ahead to have the bars wired up, powder coated with a nice set of rims. Everything is going to look good. I think I'm going to do this bike like a chrome bike and leave it separate than like we've been doing everything else, fully blacked out. We left off on this, putting the back wheel on. We're going to get back to this later tonight, but today is Valentine's Day. Today is Valentine's, and I honestly forgot I have so much going on. So happy Valentine's Day to all the women on here tuning in, watching with your boy right now. We're trying to get everything on the road. We are working, getting it in, man. But like I was telling y'all, this is gonna be second place. This is first place with the truck. So understand that. It looks a little bit crazy right now, but like I said, we got all the pieces on the way that we need to get this thing where it needs to be. So understand that. So like I said, we had a lot of merch that disappeared in the mail, so I had to put it in another batch. So stay tuned with that, man. I honestly have a whole load of other merch I've been working on. So we got some SLIDN, HIDN hats on the way. And I honestly may throw that in for the giveaway because I have an extra 50 of those for this bike. So understand that if we do have this bike in there, we're going to for sure throw a few extra more tickets while we're already waiting on everything else. So everything is still going to be upset and done this week or next week. So we hoping for the best, getting it, making it happen. I'm gonna open the garage for y'all right now so y'all can get a glimpse of everything that we got going on with this truck. Because I'm not gonna lie, I was trying to think of how to like switch it up with the truck, but I'm gonna honestly leave it. I honestly thinking about taking some stuff off the truck and powder coating it, but I don't even want to mess with the truck for the fact that the truck is ready to go, y'all. And I don't even want to interfere with anything because at the end of the day, this thing is looking good for what it is, how it is. Like, this thing is juiced up, man. Like, somebody comment on a video, they're like, man, them shocks and wheels is expensive. Believe me, I know. You don't got to tell me. I need y'all to realize that so y'all can understand what y'all about to win for a little bit of nothing. You got to understand, for $25 right now, you get the extra win for this lifted truck paired together with a Harley customized on the back, framed off, looking good. That's just first place. And now, like I'm telling y'all, we now have second place. We're going to now have the 2015 ROADGLIDE right there. So understand, you could probably win first and second, but it's all on you to enter the win and to support. That's why I say, even though we dropped the tickets all the way down from $150 to $25, you want to get as many entries as you can to gain enough spots for you to make sure you go home with what you want and need, man. I'm telling you, I cannot wait. We getting there though. This wind is killing me though. Like, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this wind is no joke out here. Super cold. It's crazy, but it's not raining. The sun is shining. We alive. We woke up this morning, so we got opportunity. So that's why we got to take advantage of it and get to it, man. Today is about to be a magnificent day. And we started it off very well in the garage, getting it going, got everything cleaned up, looking good. I got to get in the house to go knock these shoes out so I can take them to LA with the other shoes I got loaded up already. Then we're going to come home and get back to it all. But y'all see what's going on, man. We working and grinding, getting to it. I cannot wait, man. We're closer than close, y'all. It's have so many crazy obstacles we be going through in life. But like I said, instead of crying and complaining, we're going to take advantage of it and turn that pain into champagne and go up and make the best out of it, y'all. So that's the game plan for today. I'm about to go ahead and get in this crib because this wind is killing your boy. I'm telling y'all, my legs is freezing like noodles right now, boy. But we getting there though, man. I'm telling y'all, I cannot wait, man. The time is now. If you have not done it yet, make sure you get in to win into the Silver Bullet giveaway. We got a few keychains. I'm about to drop another load of hats on there so y'all can get something else besides what y'all already been ordering nonstop over and over. So y'all not having too much of the same product. But like I said, I appreciate y'all for watching and tapping in with your boy, man. I'm telling y'all, we are getting to where we need to be every day, grinding more and more. With the help of y'all, we're gonna get there even closer. But like I said, let me know how y'all feel about the 2015 Road Glide back there, and for the fact that I may not powder coat the frame because I want to get everything done in a much timely manner. Let me know what colors we should do on that bike. I know what I want to do, but let me know what y'all got in mind so I can make sure we're on the same board and y'all gonna love it and like it for what it needs to be, because I'm telling y'all, it's game time, man. Y'all see what's going on. We in the garage. We done came a long way, man. We done finally got where we need to be, but we ain't done yet. It's only the beginning, man. That's why we got to keep grinding and putting in this work, y'all, because I'm telling y'all, we can have that shop with about 4 or 5 lifts of all the bikes laid out, have these bikes on pallet jacks, lift up to the side, storaged up, and like how they be having them, like on the rack and whatnot. I cannot wait for that. I know for sure the dude in Gardena, that tune, when I went to his dyno shop, he had bikes on pallets stacked up, put to the side. That was the dopest thing ever for me to see, because I already know I can have a warehouse with the RV, the boat, the cars, the bikes stacked up to the side. So it's all on what you want. We all grinding for something. So it's all got to be something to satisfy you and to make you happy. So with that being said, that's my game plan and what I'm working on. I'm going to catch y'all in a minute. We slide and not hide it. Get into winning while you can. Y'all see what's going on. We got second place now live in the giveaway. So that's going to be that. But like I said, I'm going to catch y'all in a minute, man. Make sure y'all enjoy your Valentine's Day, because I most definitely am, y'all. We sliding, man.